Hello, we're excited at RealityWorks to introduce our newest product, the Bovine Breeder, Artificial Insemination Simulator. Now, the simulator comes in two different color options, the brown or the black and white, allowing for you to really choose what best fits where you're at, your location, and what you want your students to be artificial inseminating. Now, with the bovine breeder, it actually collapses down into a nice form for portability's sake and also easy storage, allowing it to be able to move from classroom to classroom or from place to place as needed. Now, let's look at what it actually does. And the great piece about this is that the hide actually opens up here so you can do assessment both with the hide down or opening it up, allowing students to see inside. Let's look a little closer. The bovine breeder comes with a 100-pack of gloves, shoulder-length gloves, a AI insemination gun, and also sheaths for you to use within this product. The great piece about this is that the pliable rectum here is able to move and to actually be in space here along with the reproductive tract, allowing you to be able to see what's happening inside as you go. Inside the reproductive tract here, you can actually remove this to be able to show your students how the cervix works and the different rings inside. So this is actually a removable piece. It also gives landmarks within the product, including the bladder, uterine horns, cervix, and then the vagina as well. So what I'm going to show you is one of the great pieces about this is as I actually go in here, we have feces that you can actually remove. And as I go in, I actually can feel in and find my cervix and find my landmarks, and then go in with my artificial insemination gun and find the holes. And as I'm looking for the holes, the great thing about the rings here is that as I go through these rings, each one of them is movable. And so every single time I do a insemination, it can be done with a different type of positioning inside the cervix. As I'm moving in through the cervix, you can actually see at the end of the cervix the AI gun come through, and this is where you actually would then release the semen into the uterine horns, allowing you as an instructor to be able to see and make sure that the student gets it in the correct position, and then also has that lifelike feel for the student to be able to understand where to actually hit the landmark. We also have the ability to remove and move down, and so the uterus can actually be moved to different locations. So every single time, depending on what you want to simulate, it allows you to be able to see and show those different landmarks in this process, allowing you to be able to palpate the cervix and the uterus, being able to artificial inseminate, and also show all the different landmarks that are part of this product. All this comes from you, the educators, telling us what needed to be in, and then we brought it into this bovine breeder here. So really excited to give you this, as well as curriculum that comes in showing you the proper technique and then artificial insemination basics and kind of the principles of how to do the process.